finally got that phone call. After having this car for 2 days, I am ready to give it back. You know, I think before buying cars, we should have at least 24 to 48 hours of a test drive, because this experience has really opened my eyes. Like, to think that I was really about to get one of these earlier this year, around March. It's December now. Excuse me, around May. This has really opened my eyes, and I think I dodged a bullet. Granted, this is not the spec that I would have gotten. This is the base model I would have got the Sport. But as far as driving characteristics, not a fan. Not a fan. Not a fan at all. It's an electric car, so it's very much so like a appliance. There's no emotion in it. It's kind of boring. It's nice to go from point A to point B, not worry about gas, but you know, like, I like cars, so sometimes it's fun just to get in your car and drive it like you stole it, without breaking the laws, of course. Obey the speed limit. Obey the speed limit. Did I mention they can't drive out here in Texas? I'm gonna say it a lot. They can't drive Texas. It's terrible. Anyway, so yeah, like, I'm ready to get my car back. Immediately. Let's talk interior. Like, it's a nice place to be, but as I said in other videos, it's not very intuitive while driving. Like, it's cool to look at, colors is cool, the big screen is nice. Nice. Do wish I had the bigger screen in my car, but everything else besides that, like trying to control the climate on screen, it's not really the best. Terrible. Just trying to control everything while you're driving, it's just a pain. Like, you can't control, like, you can't adjust the temperature really quick, so you cold or hot, you gotta tap it versus twisting the button or sliding your finger, which would make this a lot more intuitive. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll update, because this system, this is not really for me. Pass. I'll stick with my old school by BMW standards anyway. But I'm ready to get my car back now. And here we go. If I was accelerating my car for that long, I've been in the back of that truck. And back to BMW. Ready to get my car. show on the road. First repair bill, boys. $80. I can handle that. Alright, now. No music. Sport mode. It feels so good. So good to be back in my car. Let's be clear. Yep, we taking that. You know, this whole electric thing, they can have it. They can have it. I have seen the light. Swerve it. Swerve it. I'll take that any day of the week. Because that electric car was not it. Alright, camera going dead. See you back at the house. Old girl is home. Home sweet home. This wheel up. Mirror dirty.